Because she's never been to the top. Say hi, Luke.
Yeah.
Okay, Ma, here it is. We're walking up to it, and it is certainly big. Like big. Okay, we're gonna climb as far as we can and then take the elevator up to the top, is I think the plan. So, more when we get on the stairs, probably. Okay, here's the queue. Super long. Just look at that. That's incroyable.
Yeah.
Alright, Luke. Video of climbing.
Oh, yeah.
Not the whole way, because that's a lot of stairs. Like a lot of stairs. But here we go. Alright. Luke, what on earth are you doing? Okay, I'm walking away from you. Alright, top of the Eiffel Tower. Oh, Paris. There's the sand. There's Luke sneezing in the background. You have allergies?
No.
I've just been sneezing a lot lately. Oh, there's the Dome Church. We're at 281 meters. And it's certainly a sight. See if I can find another place to see here. Alright, Mom, now you've seen it. This is what it looks like from the very top of the Eiffel Tower.